Appraising the trade about a safer restart, VFS Global to host a webinar on Friday, 3rd July at 11 a.m. TAAI helps its members benefit from the stimulus package under the MSME provision.
Firstly, we took out the circular immediately that whoever is not registered on MSME, please do it. We actually help them also how to register. Secondly, we've already held a webinar for our members. We've had, of course, which is always an ongoing process about the way the government is now looking at taxes and GST. But we need to work more towards how to ease out the business and see that the benefit out of it. And I think we will achieve it slowly and steadily.
The tourism industry urges for the reopening of Taj Mahal.
We appeal to Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Minister of Tourism and ASI to immediately open Taj Mahal, as over 4 lakh residents of Agra in tourism sector are without any economic activity since last 3 months. It's doom and gloom here. The government may make SOP for visitors, including mobile check-in and online ticketing. Opening of Taj is not going to add to the spread of virus, or keeping it closed is not helping in its containment.
Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Development Authority gears up to welcome you back to Ras Al Khaimah. Here is a look.
So life is kinda weird these days. It's been like too much or too little, so you have to get creative. And I'm not ashamed to admit, I took it too far. If you really need some space, go where space is not an issue. If we're all in the same boat, why not make it an awesome cruise? And when you're about to take off, make sure it's worth your while. If this is now your idea of going for a dip, it's time to experience the real deal. It's about time you reward yourself. It's time for Ras Al Khaimah.